Hello, you absolute legends. Welcome back to Life on the Ranch. Today, we're bucking up firewood. Got about 256 pieces. Some of these, like the ones I'm standing on, and some of those ones over there, probably weigh at least 256 pounds. They're big, heavy, frickin' maple. Some of them are nice and light. We got the tractor to move it, the log splitter to split it. Hey ho, and away we go. Every thumbs up helps us get a few more logs split into firewood. Every new sub that we get on our +1 sub, that just gets another tier of firewood built. So go ahead, you new subs, help us build some new tiers of firewood. Be the legend. Tier the wood. It's good living on a ranch.